and welcome back to Tip Tuesday, where I'm going to be giving you another tip for Motorcycle Safety Awareness Month. So today I want to talk to y'all about why it is so important to get your motorcycle serviced. We recommend that you get it serviced depending on what kind of bike you have. Some of the things that are included in the service is they look into your oil, they check your spark plugs, they check your cables and make sure they're all adjusted properly, and also make sure you're putting in a certain type of gas that your motorcycle needs. Can't wait to see y'all in here. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun content.